Welcome back to our channel Scout New Stuff. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Whether you need a break from social media or just want to take some time off, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on three dots in the top right corner. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Help section and tap on it. Now, tap on Help Center. In the top right corner, you'll see three dots. Tap on them. Tap on Manage Your Account. Tap on Delete Your Account. Now, select Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Scroll down and tap on Delete your Instagram account. Tap on iPhone app Help, Android app Help, select Mobile browser Help. Scroll down and tap on Delete your account. Once again, carefully read the information provided about deactivating your account. Tap on Temporarily deactivate blue tag. Now, select the reason why you're deactivating your account. Tap on the appropriate reason from the list. Select how long you want your account to be deactivated. To continue, please re-enter your password. Lastly, tap Yes to confirm your decision to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Tap on Yes to finalize the deactivation process. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Remember, if you ever decide to come back, simply log in, and your account will be reactivated. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.